Good morning, everyone. Today we will start with exercise 2.2. Your question number 1. I have written the question also for you people. If you subtract 1 upon 2, that means minus, from a number, from any number, and multiply the result by 1 upon 2. The moment you will subtract any number from 1 upon 2, then multiply the number by 1 by 2. The question says, you get 1 upon 8. What is the number? C. We are subtracting 1 by 2 from a number. So let the number be x. I have taken number be x. According to the question, subtract 1 by 2 from a number. And multiply the result by 1 by 2. And multiply the result by 1 by 2. We will get is equal to 1 by 8. Just see the deep of the question. We are subtracting 1 by 2 from a number. We are multiplying the whole by 1 by 2. It is written in the question. We will get 1 by 8 after solving this. Got it? I've used this formula. There are two methods which I've taught you. I'm using the first method right now. Multiply both sides by 2. I've done it. Both sides by 2. The 2 get cancelled out. The 2 is cancelled out now. Yes or no? The remaining is x minus 1 by 2. 2 by 4, 8 is 4. 1 by 4 is left. Now add 1 by 2 both sides. I have added 1 by 2 here also and here also. Cancelled out. The remaining is x. Cancelled out. The remaining is x. Now the LCM. I have taught you the method. Multiply the denominators. 4 2s are 8. Cross multiply. 2 1s are 2. 4 1s are 4. Got it? 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6 upon 8. 6 upon 8. That is, if you cut by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 3 by 4. Hence the number is 3 by 4. Just see this question very carefully. I am giving you one more look. We have multiplied. We have made the equation. We have added 1 by 2. Cancelled out. Taken the LCM. Solved it. And the number is 1 by 3. 3 by 4, sorry. Got it? Now question 2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. If its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Length is 2 meter more than means plus. More than means plus. Twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth? Now see the question. Let the breadth be x. If we don't know what is the breadth, we have taken breadth as x. We can't take length as x now. We have taken breadth as x because after taking breadth as x, we can easily find length also. So I have taken breadth. Let the breadth of the pool be x. Then the length of the pool is, it is given that length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Twice its breadth means 2x. Twice its breadth is 2x. Length is 2 more than means plus 2. So length will become 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Now the perimeter. The formula for the perimeter of rectangle is twice L plus B. Twice L plus B. The perimeter is given to us 154. 2 remain as it is. Length is 2x plus 2. I have put it 2x plus 2. Breadth is x. Got it? I have used the second method now. In the first question I have used the first method. In the question number 2 I have used the second method. Beta, just remember this thing. You can use both the methods or any one of them, any one method in solving these questions. There is no restrictions in the same. In the first exercise I have made you to do both the methods because you should come to know about both the methods. Now you can use any method whatever you feel like. Which one you find you easy. Okay. Now multiply this 2x plus x is 3x plus 2. Multiply this 2 inside. Multiply with this also. Multiply with this also. Remember, if any number is written outside the bracket, we have to multiply that particular number inside all the numbers of the bracket. Got it? We have to multiply the number which is written at the outside to all the numbers present in the bracket. Got it? 2 3s are 6x, 2 2s are 4. I have brought 2, 4 here. I have brought 4 here. 154 minus 4 becomes 150. 6x will remain as it is. Now this 6 is in the multiplication. I put it in the division. I've taken out this 6 as in a division. So 150 upon 6, I've cancelled out. Answer is 25. X comes out to be 25. Breadth was x, so x is 25. That is breadth. Length is 2 more than twice its breadth. So 2 into 25, the value of x plus 2. 2 into 25, 50. 50 plus 2 is 52 meter. Got it, everyone? Now see question number 3. A little bit lengthy question, I find it. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3. The base is given to us, that is 4 by 3. The perimeter of the rectangle is 4 to 15, that is it is a mixed form. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? This is an isosceles triangle. Two sides are x and another is 4 by 3. The base is 4 by 3 which is given to us. As we know, in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. That means x and x. I've let them x and x. Two sides are equal, so let the equal sides be x. Perimeter of a triangle, what we used to say about the perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of all the three sides of a triangle. So the perimeter is given to us 4, 2 by 15. First, the base is 4 by 3. The remaining side, second side is x and third side is also x. All the three sides I have written here. I have converted this mixed fraction into the simple fraction. That comes out to be 15 fours are 60. 60 plus 2, 62 upon 15. 4 by 3 plus x plus x. Now subtract 4 by 3 from both sides. Again I am using the first method. Remember, subtract 4 by 3 from both the sides. From this side also and from this side also. This is cancelled out. This is cancelled out. 62 upon 15 minus 4 by 3 is equal to x plus x. 2x. X plus x. 2x. Remember the same method. 15 3s are 45. Cross multiply. 3 into 62, 186. 15 into 4, 60. The easiest way to solve any LCM, don't worry about that. You will get the right answer. 186 minus 60 comes out to be 126. The 2x will remain as it is. Now divide both sides by 2. I have mixed the question now. Divide both sides by 2. 1 by 2, 2 by 2. Got it? So 2 is cancelled by 63. Sorry, 126 comes out to be 63. Yes or no? 63 upon 45 will left. 2 by 2 cancel out. X will remain as it is. Now cut 63 by 45. You can use the simplest method also. 7 by 5 you can write, or you can cut first. For example, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Just see. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 3 15s are. Again cancel out. 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21. Answer is 7 by 5. Answer is 7 by 5. Or in the mixed fraction you can write it as x is equal to 1 2 by 5. 1 2 by 5. Beta, in this particular step you can bring this 2 in the denominator also. If you don't want to divide, you don't want to mix the question, the methods, so divide both sides by 2 also you can do, or you can bring this 2 in the denominator also and you can easily cut it. X will remain as it is. I'm just writing it here. See, 126 upon 45 is equal to 2x. 126 upon 45 into 2 you can write is equal to x. Now cancel 2 by 126 by 63. Your answer will become 63 upon 45 and you can follow the same procedure. Got it? You can follow the same procedure. Now the next question. Question number 4. Sum of two numbers is 95. When we are adding two numbers, the answer is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, if one number exceeds the other number by 15, find the numbers. So let the first number be x and another number be x plus 15. Got it? According to the question, x plus 15 is equal to 95. X plus x, 2x plus 15 is equal to 95. I have taken 15 to that side in the negative. 25 is equal to 95 minus 15 comes out to be 80. Sorry, 2x is equal to 95 minus 15. 2x is equal to 80. X is equal to 80 upon 2 comes out to be 40. So the first number is 40 and the second number is x plus 15. 40 plus 15. 40 plus 15, that is 55. The last question for the today is question number 5. The two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? Remember this thing you have earlier also might have studied about the same. When anything is written in the ratio, it get converted into x form. That will 5x and 3x. They have written differ. According to question, we should subtract them. 5x minus 3x is 18, which is given to us. 5 minus 3, 2. That is 2x is equal to 18. X is equal to 18 upon 2 comes out to be 9. X has become 9. Now the first number, 5x. 5 into 9, 45. Second number, 3x. 3 into 9, 27. The first number is 45 and the second number is 27. Now do these questions in your fair notebook. Kindly follow the proper instructions. God bless you all of you.